Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Plenty of Fish application from your device. If you no longer want to use a certain application and you'd like to get rid of the application from your device so that it would free up some spaces, then keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To delete your Plenty of Fish application from your device, tap open your Google Play Store app. Go to your profile icon in the top right corner and tap it on. Tap on the Manage tab at the top of the screen. All of the applications that are installed on your device will be displayed over here in this list. Just spot Plenty of Fish application from the list and tap it on. Now you'll be able to see it on the display. Tap on Uninstall in order to delete and get rid of the application. In the pop-up, select Uninstall to confirm. Wait for a few seconds and there you have uninstalled Plenty of Fish dating application from your mobile device. That is how you can easily get rid of apps that you've installed on your phone that you no longer use. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and you can go ahead and comment down in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.